Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize investment strategies with TD Ameritrade, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the TD Ameritrade website. Create an account if you haven't already. Select the option to open a new account. Provide the required personal information such as your name, address, and social security number. Choose the type of account you wish to open. Consider factors such as taxable accounts versus retirement accounts. Finalize your account setup by reviewing and agreeing to the terms. Once your account is active, log into your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the research tools available on the platform. Utilize the stock screener to find potential investment opportunities. Set your criteria based on your investment goals. Analyze market trends and data points relevant to your selected stocks. Review analysts' ratings and price targets for informed decision-making. Explore TD Ameritrade's educational resources. Access articles, videos, and webinars tailored to beginners. Create a watch list of stocks that interest you. Monitor the performance of these stocks regularly. Consider diversification to spread out your risk. Start with a small investment to test your strategy. Use the paper trading feature to practice without real financial risk. Evaluate your investment strategy regularly. Adjust your approach based on performance and market changes. Stay informed about economic news and market developments. Use mobile apps for on-the-go monitoring of your investments. Connect with TD Ameritrade's customer service for assistance. Review your financial goals periodically to ensure alignment with your investment strategy. Make necessary adjustments to your portfolio based on your findings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.